I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon vegetable chopper. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Always begin by washing all parts with warm, soapy water to ensure cleanliness. Next, familiarize yourself with the different components, including the collection container, the lid with its pushing grid, and the various blade inserts. Choose the blade that best suits your recipe, whether you need a fine dice or a larger chop, and carefully place it into the chopper's base. Now that your chopper is assembled, let's prepare your vegetables. Always wash and peel your produce thoroughly. For larger items like potatoes or onions, cut them into halves or quarters so they fit comfortably over the blade grid. This ensures an even chop and prevents jamming. Select a blade that matches your desired cut. For example, a smaller grid for finely diced onions or a larger one for chunky bell peppers. Proper preparation makes chopping much easier. With your vegetables prepped, it's time to chop. Position a single piece of vegetable squarely over the blade grid. Place the lid on top, ensuring it aligns correctly. Then, with a quick and firm motion, press down on the lid. You'll hear a satisfying crunch as the vegetable is pushed through the blades and into the collection container below. For best results, avoid slow or hesitant presses. Repeat this simple action until all your ingredients are perfectly chopped. After enjoying your freshly chopped ingredients, proper cleaning is essential. Immediately disassemble all parts, separating the blades from the base and lid. Rinse everything under warm running water. Use the small cleaning brush or tool, often included with your chopper, to safely remove any stubborn food bits from the blades and grid. This prevents food from drying and becoming harder to clean. Once clean, allow all components to air dry thoroughly before storing them neatly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.